Hey guys, Math 1500. This is week number 4, fall 2015. There's going to be a lot of videos posted this week, but I don't want you to flip out on me. So I thought I'd create a kind of an intro video for a couple of minutes just to tell you what's going to happen. What for the most part, what I would like to do for through the next 4 videos is to step back and review the things that hopefully we've already learned. And I think I've found over the years of teaching statistics this is a good practice that we can I can teach it, you can learn it, you can practice it, but when we go back and look at things kind of comprehensively, it serves to just reinforce some of the things that I want you to know. So some of the things, you're going to have 4 videos coming up. There's going to be one on box plots and histograms. There's going to be another one on what I would call appropriate measures. Uh, of uh, well, just it's appropriate measures. When you've got a skewed distribution, should you report the mean or the median? When you've got a bell-shaped and symmetric distribution, should you report the mean or the median? Well, in theory, or I should say in practice, you report both of them, but which one gives you the best indication of a measure of center when you have skewed or bell-shaped and symmetric distributions? So a short video on that. There's also what I call problem solving uh, with means. And this gets into something we call weighted means. And then there's a final video, well, a fourth video, not a final one, but a fourth video on just kind of check your understanding. And what I do there is I took an old exam that consisted of 20 questions, multiple choice. And what I would like for you to do is kind of go with me on these first 3 handouts, these first 3 videos. And the handouts are posted on Blackboard. So first video, second video, third video. When you finish this video, open up this one and just take 30 minutes or so to go through this and see what answers you get, and then play the video and see the answers I get. And hopefully, if this thing is working correctly, if it's working okay, there's going to be a pretty strong correspondence between your answers and my answers. The second thing we're going to do this week is I'm going to do an intro to normal distributions. Now, normal distributions are one of the most important things that we study in this class because it sets the foundation and the framework for other types of problems, and leading up to the sampling distribution, leading up to or leading into confidence intervals, hypothesis testing. Normal distributions are really important. When we get into normal distributions, the very first thing that we have to kind of consider is the relationship between samples and populations. Going back to the first video, populations are the larger group of subject elements, dogs, cats, trees, whatever we're trying to study. We typically don't have the luxury of having every single observation in our population, so we collect a sample. Normal distributions are very, very critical in describing certain populations. So you're going to get an intro to normal distributions video this week too. So you're going to have 5 videos, but this video, and this video are going to be relatively short, and actually this one is too, I guess. So guys, I hope things are going well. Keep getting your Hawks learning assignments submitted on time. And those of you that are using Google Hangout, I think it works well. All you got to do is request a meeting, and I'll be there. I'm going to be on campus a lot more coming up too. So stop by, say hello, stop by my office, and if you got any questions, just stop by. If some students find me too intimidating, which I think is funny, but if so, go to the math lab, ask for Allison or Melissa, And then there's also some other really, really good tutors in the math lab as well that can help you with this content. So, guys, I hope things are going well. That's all I need. Take care.